Hi, my name's Ben and I'm going to be giving a quick overview of a couple of pieces of artwork that I've been working on. So, a couple of years ago I drew this crude, sketchy piece of rubbish on the left there. That was just an idea I had for just a little narrative piece showing a woman who had maybe been killed or shot, and her robot friend, servant, slave, who knows, is obviously quite upset about it, and it looks like he's next because he's got a gun up to his head. So a couple of years later I thought, well, let's try and refine this a little bit better with some reference. So that's what I did, and the picture on the right is something that I did in Photoshop. I've got the Photoshop tools and stuff around just to make that point clear. And there's the full image. I decided to lighten it up just a little bit as well, just because the original was a bit dark. So yeah, this isn't for anything in particular, it's just a kind of concept that I had that I just wanted to try and realise, just had an idea in my head, so it'll only stay as a sketch. But yeah, kind of like it, like the little idea. And the next thing was for a little internet challenge, sort of mini competition bit thing, just for fun really. The brief was to draw a sea creature that had, I think, tentacles of some description and an exoskeleton. I don't know if there was another criteria. But yeah, so I just come up with this little worm thing, and yeah, the idea was that the fish would come along and it would suck them up in its tentacles and then eat them. And then I added some colour, tried to polish it out a little bit, so maybe the tentacles could kind of glow, and the idea would be that its food, the tropical fish, would live inside its antlers. So it'd kind of like be a walking, or not walking, but swimming coral reef, and or living coral reef itself. So its food is never going to be too far away, and then it can kind of lure them in with the lights, the glowing lights, and then start hoovering them up. And yeah, so they were concept pieces, just a few ideas that I wanted to sort of turn into something. So so yeah, thanks for checking out my art, and if you want to see more you can go to benkrefter.com.